Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Tech Over. Today in this video I face to face with a problem. Just now here I'm showing on this video when I just received WhatsApp messages, I'm not getting notification and sound. So how we can fix it? It's very easy. Just open up the setting of your iPhone device and finding out the notifications. Click to open and choose the show previews and when unlocked, exit from the setting and check out for the problem. If you still have that, just open back the setting and check out for the apps notification setting. For example, I'm having that problem on my WhatsApp, so I'm just going to fix that from the application. So make sure all the notification has been turned on. Go click over here and check the application notification setting too. Once you've done this all and you still have that problem, there's one more point we are skipping on it. What is it? Which is focus. Once it has been turned on, it's not going to let you to get notification from any application. So if you're going to turn it off, you will start receiving notifications with its sound and your problem will be fixed. So this is all about how to fix notification problem on your iPhone devices. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends. Peace.